This is a quick tour of our latest 148-inch wheelbase Ford Transit conversion. We've kept the layout open and simple and made this van four-season ready. It has solar, lithium batteries, a heater, hot water, cassette toilet inside, and an outdoor shower. We used hard foam insulation in the flooring and thin slip behind the walls and ceiling. Behind the driver's seat, we've installed a slide open window. The sink is a black stainless steel with folding faucet and built-in soap dispenser. The gray tank is mounted directly below. There is a NovaCool front-loading fridge with freezer section, a large bank of drawers, and upper cabinets to store all your pantry items. A 120-volt outlet and switches for your water pump and hot water also conveniently located. Both front seats swivel to elongate the living space with a convenient headliner shelf above. The Lagoon table stores away when not needed and can be mounted at the end of the bench seat for use with the bench as well as the passenger swivel. We've also included a cassette toilet in the bench seat, which is accessible from both sides for easy use and emptying. There is a Max Air Deluxe fan with remote directly above the bed, as well as a Sirocco fan at the end of the bed for increased airflow. The bed is 74 inches long at its widest point and 72.5 inches at the shortest. We've also installed dimmable reading lights above the bed, each with 2 USB ports. We installed a Webasto gasoline heater underneath the passenger seat with thermostat dial mounted above the sliding door. We've made the electrical system clean and easy to use, as well as troubleshoot when needed. We've clearly labeled all switches and tucked away wires as much as possible. We've built the entire system around the wheel well to save space. This van has a 412 amp-hour lithium battery bank, one 315-watt solar panel with 30-amp solar charge controller, a DC-to-DC charger, and a 3,000-watt inverter with Shore power plug-in. We've also installed a Victron Smart Shunt to allow you to monitor all battery stats on your smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth. There is a 22-gallon fresh water system that is easily fillable at the back of the van. The IsoTemp water heater uses the van's coolant system to heat the tank while you're driving, and can also be switched on to use 120-volt power when needed. The hot water runs to both the sink and the outdoor shower. We've left the rest of the garage open and ready for customization. The bed is high enough to accommodate a roll-out bike tray or whatever else your heart desires. This van is for sale. If you're interested, please leave us a comment below or reach out to us via our website for more details.